Are there any prairie-type grasses that grow in the Mid-South? My backyard is too large and mowing it has become too tedious. Thanks. This is Moni Sue from Memphis. So yeah, backyard's too large. She wants a prairie-type grass. Can we grow prairie-type grasses here?
Yes, we can grow prairie. In fact, there's a publication about prairie grasses. And so I'm sure that'll be available if you look it up online. But the problem is with prairie grasses, they're big. I mean, prairie grasses are not short like morphs grass. I mean, we're talking 1 to 3 and 2 to 4 feet are just some of the shorter ones. And I don't know if she wants that tall of grass around in her backyard or not. Maybe she has a swath of area she would want those in. But prairie grasses are tall. They're not short growing grasses like we would think in our yard.
Right.
So
I like the fescues and things like that.
No, it's nothing like that. A little blue stem is one.
Which grows well around here. I mean,
broom sedge, blue stem, side oats grama, and pink muley grass. All of those are, but they're anywhere from 1 to 4 feet tall.
Right.
It's nothing short.
And most of those grasses are what, clump?
Yeah, they're all clump forming. So you'd have to have quite a few of them.
A lot of them.
And there's others, but they're taller. I don't know if she wants that much. I mean, how tall you want to go? Because 6 to 8 feet could be some of the others.
Right. And she probably didn't want them that tall because she's already talking about mowing is too tedious.
Yeah. So you'd have to cut all of them at least once a year. But anyway, prairie grasses are nice, but they're tall. Okay. If she wants to deal with taller grasses, then anywhere from 1 to 4 feet to me is tall for a yard of grass. But maybe a section she'd want to do with that. I don't know. I don't know what her light in.
I was wondering too. Yeah,
is it sunny or is it shady?
Direct sunlight. That's something.
Because the grasses will need some sun.
Sure. Yeah. Full sun. Yeah. For that matter, and we'll have the link to that publication on our website for sure. But the question is, can you grow any prairie-type grasses? You can. But you just have to make the decision of
how tall.
How tall? Oh, okay. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.